Hey guys, it's Sam here. So today we are heading to the train. Yeah, we're gonna go on a train ride. All right, here we are inside the train on our seats. Oh, they're not even paying attention. That's all right. But take a look at the view. Ooh, gosh, last night it snowed so hard. You can get a better look, but yeah, geez. And look at the mountains up there. Ooh, look at this menu.
I have a red horse red. Hey, gotcha.
Okay, so I ordered water and a grilled cheese. What'd you get, Elijah?
Oh, okay. I got the Angus burger.
Ooh, sounds good. So this is the name of the train. Royal Gorge Route Railroad. Pretty cool. Take a look at what I got. So not only did I get sourdough grilled cheese, but also some chips and a pickle as a side, though I didn't eat the pickle because I personally don't like pickles. And hey, I gotta say, that grilled cheese was so good. I would rate it a 10 out of 10. I cannot get over how cheesy that grilled cheese was. It's so good. Yeah, like, who knows when the train's gonna start going? It still has not started moving. We've been in the same spot for like the last like almost half an hour. So that's what I'm waiting for now. All right, I can feel the train is starting to move slowly. We are outside and look at this. Look at the beautiful water. Take a look at this. Yeah, like when I'm inside it feels like it's going slow, but now that I'm out it's just, oh my gosh, it looks like we're going fast. Get over the water, man.
It's awesome, huh?
Yeah.
Look how it looks right there. It's cool with the ice.
Yeah. Just like that, we are back. Okay. All right, guys, it is the next day and we are going to an ice castle. Oh, I'm looking forward to this because, I mean, well, I loved Frozen as a kid, so I feel like my inner child's just gonna come out when I go, like. Oh, look at this reindeer. And I like how it says bringing fairy tales to life. Oh, look. Look at these little snowmen. Ooh, one more. Little heart. Let's take a look at this. Oh, what's this little ice statue right there? Looks like a Pokemon or something. I don't know, it looks like a Pokemon to me. Oh my gosh, feels like we're coming into Elsa's ice castle. You know, I wonder if Disney were to make like a Frozen live action, I wonder if they would film here Elsa's like ice castle scene and stuff. Is that like a throne?
Oh yeah, you want to go get a photo on the throne?
Yeah, on Elsa's throne. That's an interesting sign. Oh, and they got little sleds.
You want to go slide down?
Heck yeah! Cool.
Please watch your heads on your step.
All right. Ooh. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Okay, let's see. Oh, take a look at this. Yeah, we can stand for a bit. Oh, look at this side.
Are you ready? We're gonna go out this way.
Yeah, let's go out this way. Okay, here we go. Woo! Okay. Yeah. Oh. Look at all the snow on me now. Here's the walkway. Oh, look at this sign. Oh, look! Believe in fairies. We hope you do. Make a wish, it might come true. Precedes benefit. Dang, that's so cool. Oh, and here's the back area where the water thing is. Yeah, I know. Oh, another slide. Okay.
2, 3.
Woo! Oh, we got little fire pits. Ooh.
It's an apple cider with Jack Daniels. You want that one? Yeah.
Warm up my hand.
Tell them to get the regular Jack.
Ooh. Okay, so well, I got hot water, my grandma got hot chocolate, and so did my brother. And what did you get, Grandpa?
Hot cider.
Ooh, sounds good too. Oh, look at this sign. Handcrafted entirely from icicles, water and imagination. Alright guys, that is all for today and all for this vlog. I gotta say, despite the weather and all, I still had a good time on both the train and at the ice castle. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next video.